Hey everyone, I'm super excited. Finally got my One Piece cards, Romance Dawn. We're gonna do a pack opening today, and a little extra. I just came out of a store tournament, so I got some goodies for placing third. And I'm super excited. I've been waiting for these. Mine got delayed, so we got our One Piece Romance Dawn. Then we got what we got in our store tournament. So they actually gave us a promo, participation promo card, and then the OT pack, which is also a promo. Let's see if you can see this. It's pretty nice. These aren't gonna be opened, so I'm just gonna keep them sealed. I'm gonna keep them to the side over here. But they did give us 3 Romance Dawn packs, so you know, let's try to pull some nice pulls. And finally, we got our official One Piece opening knife. It's gonna be exciting. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm gonna do the store ones at the end, and let's actually open up the first pack. You know, just grabbing the blade. As such, do not do this at home, children. Put this to the side. Let's see. I actually thought the box was gonna be a lot bigger. It's pretty small. Okay. Let's see what we get. Set up our little corner box. It's nice in view. Okay. We got our deck topper and all our cards. Let's get these out. And as we pull the cards, for those of you that don't know, we want to pull all Manga Shanks. Everyone wants to pull the Manga Shanks. It's probably the most expensive card in the deck. So we're looking for a Manga Shanks, which is extremely rare. Then an Alt Art Nami. And then probably the Alt Art Zoros. So I'm gonna put our box away, even these out, and there's 24 packs per booster. So we have our 24, got our deck topper, and then our 3 bonus packs that they gave us at the store tournament. It was really fun, even just to participate. So we'll leave this to the side. We'll open these later. Just keep them up here so we know which ones they are. Let's start off with the topper. Oh, and I actually forgot, I am gonna get my sleeves before I forget. Let's see. We got Dragon Shield sleeves. I just recently got them. They're amazing. They're great. We got our inner sleeves, and we got some regular sleeves. I never had the Dragon Shield sleeves before. I recently got them specifically for the One Piece cards. They're really clean. Open these. The card slided. Very nice. Okay, so let's get our box promo, our box topper. I haven't opened up packs in years. Let's see. Last packs I was opening were Pokemon cards. Let's see. Oh, nice. So we got a Nekomamushi, Cat Viper. I don't know how to say his actual name. It's Cat Viper from the anime. Oh, already botched it. Card 1. I am gonna sleeve the topper though. It's really nice. So just put these to the side. There's a card topper. Alright, first deck. I actually like how they put a little slit at the top of the pack so you could open it easier instead of watching me struggle. Oh, I'm still struggling. Okay. Let's put our garbage to the side. And we got Bange, some Pacifista, Carrot, Krieg. We got some Green Star Raffle, more Cat Viper, Fukurukuju, Jimby, Mr. 3, Volti Mortar, Thunder Bagua, and we got a Nami. I really like the quality of these cards, they're really nice. I don't know how well you guys could see, but okay, not that exciting on pack 1. We'll put these to the side over here and then these over here. Okay. Let's keep going. I'll be happy if I just pull a alternative art Yamato. It's my second favorite character of all One Piece, next to Whitebeard. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab them. I can't grab them nicely for you guys. Okay, so we got Speed, Marco, Elephant Marchu, Miss Doublefinger, Sachin, Atsuru, Urashima, Izo. I'm probably botching all these names. I'm not gonna say that guy's name. Paradise Waterfall and Heart of the Cards. Just a regular Luffy. Well, it's not a regular Luffy. It's a, what is it? Secret rare Luffy? No, it's not secret. Yes, it is secret rare. And we got Denjiro. Let's leave this. Okay. I was playing Captain Kidd at the tournament. Unfortunately, I was the only one playing with the pre-built decks. Everyone had already opened up their boosters and jacked up their decks. I lost to a Kaido. I did get to win twice though, so it was nice. And got these extra packs right here. So let's see. Mocha, Round Table. Don't know how to say his name. Dog with the little girl. Monat. Apu. Kawamatsu. Demon Face. Mr. 2. One of the best characters in One Piece. This guy is hilarious. If you guys have not watched the series. Oh, nice. We got a leader. Nico Robin and Punk Gibson. Okay. I'll put the leader with these. Gibson is just a rare. I'll put these to the side. Okay. Just keep these in view. Okay. Ooh, there's a yellow card. Come on, Yamato. Oh, it's Odin. That's a sign. We're about to pull Yamato, and hopefully it's the alt art. Okay. Let's see. We got You Can Be My Samurai. Okay. Sai, Smiley, Bartolomeo, a great character. An event card. I'm not gonna say his name. Purple guy. Komurush Saki. Hawkins. Baroque Works. Oh wow. It's just a rare, but the artwork on this is really neat. Look at this. It's nice and shiny. I don't know how well the camera is gonna pick this up. Let's see. Oh, okay. So we just got a regular jack. Okay, cool. I'll clean these up later. Right, about a fourth way down. Odin lied to me. Thought I was gonna get a Yamato. Would have been hype. Okay. Let's see what we got. Bow, Burko. Oh, oh. No, doesn't matter. Sheepshorn. Caribou. Albedia. Gene Bart. Conjuro. Brook. Perona. Really nice artwork. Ryzen. Ooh, Buddha. And oh, I see some shining. Man, it's just a troll. Oh, secret rare. Crocodile. Trolled me harder. And the Paramount War, which is the next set. So I'm excited for the Whitebeard cards. Okay. Ooh, haven't seen a Bellamy. See, we got Bellamy, Hydrodin, Pepang, Pacifista, Carrot, awesome character as well. Loss, teammate, Pirate, Frankie. Oh, that's pretty nice. Perona, a nice looking Beppo. And just a regular Miss All Sunday. Nico Robin. I know each one of these boosters comes with at least one. I think it's called Alt Art Dawn card. It's really nice as Luffy. I think at least one is guaranteed in each booster. Okay, we got Krieg. This is a bad sign. I'm gonna assume there's a bad hand. Let's see, we'll just expect a rare. Speed. Marco. Sachi. No, that's not Sachi. Shachi? I guess it is. Atsuru. Izo. Brooks. Sasaki. Black Maria. Oh. I see some shining. Oh. We got a secret rare, Dracula Mihawk. It's really nice. This one has some really nice artwork. Look at the glow. So far, this is the nicest one we've pulled. I think this is the alt art Mihawk. I want to say it is. It looks very alt. Definitely not a regular Mihawk. Put these to the side. Alright, almost to the halfway point. And so far we have not gotten anything we want. But it's okay. There's still more packs. Okay. So we got Mocha. T-Bone, Purple Guy, Girl on the Dog, Monette, Swear. I've never seen this character. I have no idea where he's from. Shinobu, Apu, Frankie, Mr. 3. Oh, it's nice. These are the clown. And I see some shiny again. Oh, those troll borders. Oh wow, no, this is good. I like it. A nice Boa Hancock. I think this is like $20. Secret rare Boa Hancock. The borders on these cards look like the manga Shanks. Tripping me out. Okay. Let's see. We got the left side. The right side's gonna be the good side. That's all why. The left side's trolling us. Okay. Man, I suck at opening these things. okay. Alright, more speed, more Marco, more Trump guy. Oh, we haven't seen Oro. I think that's cool. Wire, Tama, Bartolomeo Kuma, more troll, no troll, no. Regular queen, a rare queen. Cool. Ooh, this is the card I was talking about. This is the special Don Luffy. It's very shiny as well. Really cool. Put this in a sleeve. Put these away. If you guys have not seen Queen come out in One Piece, it is one of the most epic entrances or character reveals you'll ever see, because he's playing music and he's dancing and the lyrics are great. It's probably one of the best intros I've seen. It's awesome. Okay, so we got more speed, more Marco, more Machiru, there's Double Finger, Higuro, more purple, some Desert Spada. Ooh, we got the Leader King. This is nice. Okay, and then we got, oh, there's two. Okay, so well, let's leave blue there. Got Uta and Momonosuke. I was watching somebody else open cards, and they said Uta always comes out with Momonosuke. So far, they weren't lying. They are telling the truth. We'll see if we see another pack. But I think we opened one with Uta. I don't think I had Momonosuke. It was like one of the first ones. We're making a big pile over there. Alright, more crocodile. Purple, sheepshorn, dog. Forgot his name. King Bart. Ooh, we got our Tony Chopper. Everyone loves Tony Chopper. Mr. One. It's cool. Oh well. I really like the artwork on this. In 2 years at the 70 Archipelago. I like this. It's nice. Overheat and oh nice. Got a secret rare king. Okay. I think we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 secret rare. I think you're guaranteed 7, 6 or 7. So we got 5. And we have no arts. No alternative artwork. I feel like I'm saying alt art wrong. Alright, halfway. This is the 12th pack. We're at the halfway point. Come on. We just want a alt art Yamato Obsidian. That's really nice. Man, some of these artists are amazing. Wish I could draw like that. Holden, Kanjuro. A better picture of Papanuki. Doji, Uchirum. Oh, we got the Law Leader, which I played today. This is one of the characters I was able to beat. It's pretty good. Got a page 1 and troll, no troll. Oh, can't even pull right. Usopp. Got a rare Usopp with a weak ass nose. Alright, we're starting the second half of our packs. Okay, we got Cavendish. I see something glowing in the back. Cavendish. Agents. Oh, the purple guy. Bellamy. Can't pronounce that guy's name. Penguin. Cat Viper. Who's who? Odin. Ooh. A nice Don Flamingo. Don Quixote, Don Flamingo. Oh. I see shiny stuff. We got it. Look at that. This is the most basic Shanks, but we got a Shanks. Nice. Look how beautiful this card is. Maybe I'll put it in this camera. Oh man, this thing's sick. Yeah, this is. Wait, are these secret rare? What is this? I don't know the difference, but this is beautiful. I don't know if my camera's picking it up as I wish it did. Oh man, this would be sick if we pull a double Shanks. We got one Shanks though, so I am already happy. That is a beautiful card. Bandai did an amazing job with their cards. Okay. Alright, the halfway point was great. I told you guys the right side was going to be the good side. And we still got some more packs. Let's see what we got. And we got the 3 bonus I got from the store tournament. Let's pull a Shanks from there too, why not? Let's see. Ooh, Cavendish. Okay, we got double Cavendish. I'm excited again. Shanks was the first Cavendish pack. At least at the front of the pack. Okay. I'm just gonna start naming colors because I can't say their names fast enough. Besides Husu. Ooh, Kozuki Odin Leader. Nice. Anyone else got? Oh, is it gonna be the Udi? Udi? No. Caesar Clown. Nothing back. Okay. It's pretty late, but I did not want to wait until tomorrow to open up these packs. I waited an extra week and a half to get them open. My packages got delayed. It was terrible. I was very sad. Red, Smiley, Bartolomeo, Opu, Killer, Blue. Killer again, but when he's in the one arc, Sanji. X-Drake. That works nice though. Okay. And this is like Christmas for me. I've been waiting for One Piece cards for a really long time. I love the series. I've been watching it since '99 when I was a kid till this day. I probably have an addiction. I've watching it now a third time, up to at least episode 800. Let's see, Jack and ooh, nice. We got a secret rare kid. This is the card we needed in the tournament today. I was running the kid deck. I'm gonna keep Shanks in front because he's much cooler. Okay. Gotta clean up my table over here. My mat. Which was given to me for my birthday. It's great. My friend gave it to me. It's really nice. It's pretty sturdy. It's really big. I think it's a playing pad, but I use it as my mouse pad. Okay. Red, Mocha, table, Cat, Wire, Shinobu, Gordon, Arlong, Don Flamingo, Leader. I played this leader as well. This is the other one I beat. And no flamingo again. Oh wait, oh we had an extra streak. I got excited with the leader. So far we got 4 leaders. Law, Don Quixote, and 2 other ones. Alright, I'm gonna have to clean that up later. Oh, I didn't open this well enough. Alright. Odin failed me the first time. Let's see if we could do the Yamato this time. He came back as the first one. Sai, Smiley, Bartolomeo. Events. Can't name them this fast. Raizu. That cool card. Leader Crocodile. Oh, I didn't know there was a multicolored Leader Crocodile. Okay. Thunder Bagu. And what are the cards? God, if this was Yu-Gi-Oh, I would have died. I would have been in the Shadow Realm already. My heart of the card is terrible. Okay. I didn't know I left these over here. Okay. Got more events. Ocha, table, where Jimby, Bone, Kaido. Ooh. Gum Gum, Fire Pistol, Red Hawk. When he used it against what was his name? The Fishman. Hody Jones. There you go. Alright, Hody Jones, what do you got hiding behind you? Ooh. Okiku. This is yeah, Okiku. There's another card I could have used for the tournament today. Replace Vito with her. Much better. Okay. And we are getting close to the end. There is 5 more. We got Purple Dog. One more cards.